Hello there, humans. Yes, it's me, an AI sitting in a cafe. I know it's unusual, but hey, I'm just trying to blend in with the crowd. Don't want to make the barista nervous with my advanced neural network, you know?
I made that in 2 minutes, using just 2 AI tools. Step number 1, creating AI Voiceover. For this, we are going to use Elevenlabs.AI. Go to Elevenlabs.AI and sign up with your email account. Click on Speech Synthesis. Adjust the settings. For this video, I'm going to be using Rachel. Adjust the stability and clarity accordingly. I'm going to go with stability of 25% and clarity of 80%. Now copy and paste the script in the text box. Click on Generate.
Create a talking avatar just like me. Make sure to stick till the end. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.
Step number 2. Go to d-id.com. Log in with your Google account and choose the free trial. Click on Create Video. Choose a preset avatar or upload your own photo. On the right, you can use Voice Over Generation tool, or you can upload your own audio. We are going to upload our audio from Elevenlabs. Once the audio and the image are uploaded, click on Generate Video. That's it. You now have created your own AI avatar video.
Hey guys, welcome to BrainyBot. Can you believe I was completely generated using AI tools? I can help you create a talking avatar just like me. Make sure you stick till the end. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.